Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of accomplishment. It has been accomplished successfully. For example, the reduction of inflation was a remarkable accomplishment. American pronunciation. Accomplishment. Accomplishment. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Accomplishment. Say. Accomplishment. Accomplishment means thing achieved. Accomplishment. Accomplishment. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. It is a remarkable accomplishment on many levels. Now, repeat after me. It is a remarkable accomplishment on many levels. The second practice. Against its own standards, it is a remarkable accomplishment. Now, repeat after me. Against its own standards, it is a remarkable accomplishment.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.